Hello and welcome to this video. In fact, welcome to this very special video. In today's video, we're going to talk about a whole new product launch from here at Boffix, which is all about making sure that your business is supported in the way that we want it to be supported. If you're an existing customer of Boffix, or if you're looking to take Boffix services for the first time, then we can assure you that this product offering is designed to make sure that your business is supported during this time. Let's waste no time and let's get straight into exactly what that means. Hello, my name is Aaron Patrick. I'm a chartered accountant, a certified UK trainer from QuickBooks, and also that QuickBooks chap on the internet. Now, as head of accounts at Boffix, one of the things we strive to do on a regular basis is make sure that our product offering is designed to make it so small businesses can feel supported. That's our whole USP. We want to make sure that we don't just offer an accounting solution that makes sure that we tick all the boxes for you, but we actually provide added value and we give you a business advisory that you need to be able to make sure that your business is going in the right direction. And our new product offering is all around one of our most popular products, which is our bookkeeping solution. Now, providing a bookkeeping service is certainly not revolutionary. In fact, majority of the accountants out there obviously offer that solution. But when we developed our bookkeeping solution, we wanted to make sure we have some fundamental elements in mind. One of them, making sure that we had real-time information for our clients. Why is real-time information so important? Well, the pandemic has made it crucial for our clients. We've been able to advise clients on what solutions to go for, what aid to go for, where to take their business during lockdown, because we were able to understand what was happening in a real-time solution. Whereas if we didn't have that information available, we wouldn't have had the ability to be able to give the right advice at the right time. So we're proud that our solution, our current solution, is definitely something that is helping businesses not only save time, but also give them the information they need to make sure they don't just survive, but thrive. And it's all well and good that we talk about our bookkeeping solution. Problem is that it's not a one-shoe-fits-all scenario. Every business is going to need different requirements. And that's why we've refined our product offering around bookkeeping to give you more choice, you more flexibility, and ultimately give you the chance to make sure that your business is supported as much as it needs to be. So what's changed? Well, the good news is our standard product for bookkeeping is completely the same. We will still make sure that you get real-time information for your business. We'll still make sure that your VAT returns, if you're VAT registered, are always going to be completed on time and to a high standard. And we'll also make sure that whenever it comes to you doing accounts or tax returns or whatever the statutory requirements are going to be, we're going to make sure that you're compliant. So the bookkeeping solution you know and love will continue the same, but we're going to be classing this now as a compliance bookkeeping. So I can hear you all saying, Aaron, that sounds great, but what's changed? Well, ultimately, we've expanded our actual bookkeeping solution. We've given more option, more breadth to it, so that if you need more than just a compliance bookkeeping solution, then we've got your back. You see, business as a whole comes in many different forms, and people have many different requirements for how they want their business to run. Maybe from a bookkeeping solution, all you really want from your bookkeeping provider is the ability and the chance to go to bed at night knowing that all of your statutory requirements will be looked after. Basically meaning that as your business incurs a transaction, maybe on a bank or however it's going to be, then you want to be making sure that that's been recorded satisfactorily. So the VAT's been assigned correctly, and you've got someone who's an expert to be able to go and assign it to the right category based on what your business is. And that's all based around our compliance solution. That's not going to change. That's exactly the same solution we've been offering since day one. And our idea here is to give you real-time information and make sure that we're not just putting the information into QuickBooks for compliance reasons, but we can still look at cash flow forecasts and we can still look at real-time information and understand how your business is doing. But ultimately, our aim is to make sure from a compliance point of view, you're completely covered. So if we've got you covered from a compliance solution, then what else can we offer? Well, what else we can offer is about those individual times when, as a business, You don't need just your bookkeeping to offer a compliance solution, but ultimately when you need something else from your bookkeeping, maybe you need to run commission statements, maybe you need to keep an eye on a particular project, maybe you need to evaluate something in a bit more detail, well, that's when we come into our own and we offer a new solution. This is where we get the opportunity not just to do it from a compliance point of view, but we also look to bespoke your solution to what it is that you need. Ultimately, meaning that you're getting the best of both worlds, a compliant bookkeeping solution bespoke to whatever it is that you need at this point in time. And just like all our other solutions, you have the ability to turn this feature on and off on a month-by-month basis, giving you the flexibility to make sure that we're delivering a solution that's right for your business. So what do you need to know about the changes? Well, more importantly than anything, rest assured that the current solution, the current bookkeeping solution, is exactly the same. We still work with you in whichever software solution that's right for your business. We still make sure that we update your bank account and any other transaction that you have from an expense point of view, and we make sure that from an income point of view, that everything looks right. We're still going to give you that dedicated email address, and you're still going to have access to our team of experts just like you have before. So the core principle of our bookkeeping isn't changing whatsoever. What is changing though is the ability to add on additional services to that to make it so we can bespoke the solution to whatever your particular needs are going to be. So what can you use this extra solution for? Well, if you have an integration with any other particular piece of solution, for example, you might want to connect your QuickBooks to Stripe, or you might want to connect your QuickBooks to eBay or to Amazon or to another e-commerce platform, then we have you covered in this extra tier. We will do all of that work for you, we will incur the costs, and we will make sure that that's running as intended. So you just need to continue to make the sales on that platform, and we make sure that information gets dragged into QuickBooks efficiently. But we're not stopping there. We're also giving us the opportunity to go in and, as I said, make a bespoke solution. If you've got a particular project that you're looking to run, then why not let us take control of that project area within QuickBooks? Boffix and your business will work together to make sure that we are getting the right information we need and putting it in the right area within QuickBooks. Maybe you're going down a route where going forward, you're going to be paying on a commission basis to your employees, shareholders, whatever it's going to be. Well, in them sort of scenarios, you need bespoke reports so you can see how those scenarios are panning out and ultimately how much you need to pay for those particular people who are owed commission. That's an example of where the bespoke solution will work really well for you so that we can work with you to understand what's there. And let's not forget our third and final bookkeeping solution that we've always had available, and it's a solution you might find is really useful for your business. You have the ability to turn on the feature called management accounts. Not only do we compile a set of management accounts for your business, but also we give you the opportunity to have a one-to-one session with one of our experts on a monthly basis to talk about exactly how your business is going, making sure that you feel supported and that you have the ability to understand what's going on. So how do I find out more about these solutions? Well, first of all, don't forget our website is the best place to go for an indicative price. When you go to our website, www.boffix.com, you'll be given the opportunity to see round about what those figures are going to be so that there's no shocks going down the system. After that, it's all about bespoking a complete solution for you. So use the link below and book a chat with us option here at Boffix. What we can do then is we can talk to you on a one-to-one basis. We can then go through and turn on the solutions and services that you need for your business to make sure that you're getting the right value for your money. So let's reiterate. Nothing's changing from our product. We're enhancing our product. We're making bookkeeping even more powerful for small businesses and giving you the ability to understand exactly what's going on with your business. I don't know about you, but I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to be able to help more businesses out there to be able to give them the power and give them the data they need to be able to make the crucial decisions. I'm not only going to let businesses survive, but crucially thrive as well. If you want to know more about product offerings from Boffix and any new products that we come up with and more innovations that we want to get out there to the public, then make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. But if you also want to get information about how small businesses should be run, not only from a tax side of things, but ultimately into going into more details about other aspects of small business, then you're already in the right place. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel because this channel is going to be growing in a significant rate going forward. We've got really great plans that we want to make sure you come along with us and understand exactly how your business can be improved with a little TLC. My name's been Aaron Patrick. As always, it's been a pleasure to do this video for you. I can't wait to be speaking to you more about some exciting enhancements coming to our Boffix product. And let's make sure that small businesses don't just survive, but thrive. See you in the next video. Bye for now. It means a lot to us if you can go and give a like to the other channels as well.